campus gave me a great opportunity to network with the industrial professionals and to bridge the gap between the academia and the industry. So this definitely would be helping me to shape my future as an aerospace enthusiast.
The motivation was to strike a balance and bring a common point where both the students and the young professionals can get to meet, discuss about academia and industry requirements so that they get to know after school what is expected, what are the trends in the field, and where is aerospace heading.